Hello, SOL PE scholars. Magister Cole and myself, Magister Beck, just want to let you know that starting tomorrow, Monday, that we are going to have a new PE form for you guys to have. So this PE form is going to be a point system. So for the SOL scholars, it's going to be a 50-point system, and it's going to be broken up into categories like you're going to get so many points for doing leisure activities, so many points for doing moderate activity, and more points for doing strenuous activities. And you need to get all those points added up for all your activities for the week to get at least 50 points. Now, if you times 50 by 2, that'd be 100, so that'd be 100% you'd get for the week. So if you only got 40 points for the week and you times that by 2, then you'd get 80% for the week. So it's in your best interest to get, shoot for those 50 points. And you'll understand when we send you the new point system form for you guys tomorrow, because it'll all be broken up and it'll have example activities in each category. And then you just write down the activity and how many points it's worth, and then add up all those points at the end of the week. And hopefully you're close to 50 points, and then send it to your teacher, Magister Cole, or myself, Magister Beck. And if you guys have any questions at any time and you can't get the form printed off or something's going on, you can't type on the form and send it back and with a PDF file, just email Magister Cole or myself, whoever your Phi Ed teacher is, and we'll help you out and figure it out so you guys don't lose those points. So that's about it for you guys. That's the update, and hopefully you guys are having a great weekend, and hopefully we start hearing from you guys. Talk to you guys later. Have a good one, guys.